In this exercise, we'll divide rational expressions and then we'll simplify if possible. The division that we're going to do is 25x squared minus 1 over 9x squared minus 6x divided by 5x squared plus 9x minus 2 over 3x squared plus x minus 2. Now, the first step that we need to do when we're doing this division is to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor, or sometimes we say invert the divisor and multiply. So I'll rewrite this as a multiplication, just rewriting the first expression, 25x squared minus 1 over 9x squared minus 6x, and then I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So I'll have times 3x squared plus x minus 2 over 5x squared plus 9x minus 2. Now I'm ready to multiply. I'll multiply numerators and multiply denominators. So I'll have 25x squared minus 1 times 3x squared plus x minus 2 in the numerator. And in the denominator, we have 9x squared minus 6x times 5x squared plus 9x minus 2. And now, instead of carrying out these multiplications, I'm just going to stop and see if I can do some simplifying. We need a little more space, so let's go back. Let's go to a clean sheet of paper. This is the last step that we had. And what I want to try to do here is see if I can factor in the numerator and in the denominator and then simplify. Well, 25x squared minus 1 I can factor as 5x plus 1 times 5x minus 1. And 3x squared plus x minus 2 I can factor as 3x minus 2 times x plus 1. And now let's take a look at the denominator. 9x squared minus 6x has a factor of 3x that I can factor out. So we've got 3x times 3x minus 2. And 5x squared plus 9x minus 2 I can factor as 5x minus 1 times x plus 2. And now it's time to take a look and see what factors, if any, we have in common in the numerator and in the denominator. I have a factor of 5x minus 1 in each place, so I can cancel those. It's like removing a factor of 1. And I can do the same thing with this factor of 3x minus 2 that's common to the numerator and the denominator. And I don't see any other factors that are in common in the numerator and denominator, so I'm ready to write the result. And that is 5x plus 1 times x plus 1 over 3x times x plus 2.